Your team talks in Discord. But the real work? It's happening somewhere else. And suddenly, you're jumping between Discord, calendars, docs, and project tools just to keep things moving. Discord is great for conversation, but work needs more than chat. It needs structure, follow-through, and context. That's why teams start layering Discord with bots, calendar plugins, commands, and workarounds to make it behave more like a work tool. In this video, we're breaking down 7 Discord AI hacks teams actually use to get work done, and how those same problems are handled natively inside ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, where chat, tasks, calendars, meetings, and AI already work as one system. Let's start with hack number 1, integrating Discord with ClickUp. Discord moves fast. Messages scroll, threads get buried, and important updates disappear. By integrating Discord with ClickUp, you make sure task updates don't rely on someone remembering to post them manually. Here's how to set it up. Go to your ClickUp settings. Open the App Center. Search for Discord. Click Manage and add it to your server. Authorize access. Once connected, updates made to a task in ClickUp automatically show up in the relevant Discord channel. So instead of asking, "Did this get done?" or "Where are we on this?" the update shows up where the conversation is already happening. But here's where it gets interesting with hack number 2. Use custom server roles to create clarity. Discord lets you assign roles with names, colors, and icons. Most teams underuse this. Instead of generic roles, try things like design lead, sprint owner, or reviewer. Now, when you tag someone, it actually means something. You know who owns what, the right people see the message, and fewer things slip through the cracks. Moving on to hack 3, break deadlocks with interactive polls. You know that moment when a simple decision turns into a never-ending thread? Everyone has an opinion, and suddenly nothing moves. That's where interactive polls help. With bots like Votabot, you can drop a poll right into the channel with up to 10 options. People vote. Percentages update instantly. And what would have taken 2 hours of back and forth turns into a 3-minute decision. Next up, hack 4, clean up your voice channels. Most Discord servers have voice channels named things like General Voice 1 or Meeting Room. And every time someone joins, they're guessing what they're walking into. Instead, treat voice channels like rooms with a purpose. Name them based on intent. Daily stand-up, design review, focus room, open lounge. Before anyone clicks, they already know what kind of conversation is happening. And here's a secret many people don't know. You can also integrate Discord with a music app like Rhythm app for shared listening. For instance, lo-fi beats for focus time, pump-up music for launch day. It keeps the vibe cohesive. Coming to hack 5, plan tasks on a real calendar, not in chat. Discord is great for conversation, but it has no real concept of time. Messages scroll, decisions disappear, and deadlines live in someone's head. So here's the hack. Don't try to schedule work inside Discord at all. Instead, move planning into a calendar that understands tasks. With ClickUp's AI-powered calendar, your work and your time finally line up. Tasks with due dates show up alongside meetings in one view. It syncs with Google and Outlook, so you're not maintaining multiple calendars. And instead of guessing when you're free, ClickUp automatically blocks focus time based on what you actually need to get done. If priorities change, you can drag and drop tasks to reschedule, and your whole team stays aligned without another quick check-in message. All right, let's jump to hack number 6, which is automate repetitive messages with custom commands. Ever find yourself typing the same responses over and over again in Discord? It's a huge time sink. Custom commands on Discord help create shortcuts for such repetitive tasks. For example, type rules and boom, there's your server guidelines. Type website and your website link appears. It's nice and efficient. Finally, hack number 7, use Discord for education. If you're teaching or running workshops, Discord works pretty well. You can create text channels for lessons, homework help, or study groups. You can also use voice channels for live teaching sessions or Q&A hours, and go live to present to up to 50 people at once. You can further set role permissions so students can't post in announcement channels but can discuss freely in study groups. Those were the 7 Discord hacks. Handy tips to make life a little easier in your channels. But at the end of the day, these are still workarounds, and important tasks, decisions, and follow-ups can still slip through the cracks. If you want to go beyond that and actually get things done, ClickUp takes it to the next level. ClickUp Chat feels familiar, like Discord. But here, every message can become a task with an owner, due date, and context. No more lost decisions or forgotten follow-ups. And it goes deeper than that. If you're scrolling, searching, or trying to remember what someone said 3 days ago, ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant, cuts through that noise. It can summarize entire channels and catch you up on what you missed while you were focused. And it automatically surfaces action items that haven't even been assigned yet. And for the voice channels that Discord offers, ClickUp has CyncUps, where you can initiate video calls, screen sharing, and much more without leaving your workspace. ClickUp's AI Notetaker then records, transcribes, and summarizes everything automatically, giving you searchable transcripts and structured action items in ClickUp Docs. So this is what it looks like when your workspace actually keeps up with you. No more chasing conversations across apps. No more, wait, where did we decide that? You finally have a system where chat, tasks, and calendars don't just coexist, they talk to each other. So yeah, you can keep juggling Discord bots and calendar integrations, or you can switch to ClickUp and actually get your work done. Sign up for free today at clickup.com and finally stop working around your tools.